In this tutorial, we'll explore the Signup logic block, which allows new users to create an account in your app. Imagine you're building an app where users need to create personal profiles, such as in a fitness app. Using the Signup logic block, users can easily register with their details, helping them access the full functionality of the app. Let's walk through how to add and configure the Signup logic block in your app. Search for the Signup logic block. Once found, drag it into your app's patchwork. This block will handle the Signup process for new users. Next, connect the Signup block to an event in your view, such as a Signup button, so that when users click this button, the Signup process is initiated. Once the logic block is connected, you need to configure the necessary inputs. The Signup block requires 3 key inputs: name, email, and password. These inputs must already be created in the View Builder. For example, ensure that the user's name, email, and password are captured through input fields and passed to the logic block correctly. Like with the login logic, you can set success and error messages to give users feedback during the Signup process. A success message will confirm the account was created, while an error message will notify users of issues like missing fields or invalid data. That's how you set up this Signup logic block in your app. With these configurations, you can create a seamless registration process, helping you grow your user base.